Hello friends, welcome back to Gruhinis World. In today's video, I am going to show you quick mushroom pulao which can be easily made in busy mornings as a lunchbox recipe or can also be made for lazy dinner days as it is very simple to prepare with just few ingredients. I have also posted quick coconut rice recipe in my recent video which can also be made for quick lunchbox. If you are interested, please find the link in the description box below and also in the suggestion card above. So, shall we start this simple recipe? I have posted Biryani Masala recipe in our recent videos. Whenever you are planning to make biryani, believe me friends, this Biryani Masala will definitely make your biryani super complimented. Friends, if you don't have time in the mornings, no need to soak rice. But if you soak rice, you can get nice grainy textured pulao. Friends, you can see that our mushroom pulav is hot and ready to be packed for lunch boxes. This pulav can be paired up with raita or any salad. I'll be posting how to make tasty onion salad in our upcoming videos which would be great combination to any pulav or biryani. Friends, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. Also, share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.